सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn another poem, that is 1.3, Basket Full of Moonlight. So I think you are all ready with your pen, notebook and textbooks. So we start this poem. This is a poem. It is originally written in Dogri language, but it is translated into English by Sunil Sharma. So we see some warm-up activities. Okay, let's warm up now. So here some questions are there. You give answers for that. Did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? Did you like to hear bedtime stories? You know about bedtime stories. Many kinds of stories are there, fairy tales, adventure, or many other moral stories. You may listen. So naturally the answer will be yes. Then, who usually told you the bedtime stories? Who used to tell you bedtime stories at night when you are going to sleep? Then, who told you stories? You may answer as your father, otherwise mother, otherwise grandfather, or grandmother. Then that is your answer. Anyone's name you can tell. Why did you like them? Now, many kinds of stories are there. So, in which kind of story you are interested, that is very joyful for you. So, why did you like them? What they give you? Why you like to listen them? Then you may say that I get thrill, I am very interested in the listening stories. Otherwise, I get some moral from those stories. Otherwise, I enjoy the stories. Like that, many kinds of answers you can give. Then, would you still like to hear those stories again? Now also you are interested or what? Now also you like to hear stories? Naturally, everyone's answer is yes only, I think. Okay? Now, next, one more question is there. What are the steps to plant a tree? You know that how to plant a tree. There is a procedure. How do you plant a tree? Sometimes you bring some seeds. Otherwise, sometimes you bring a sapling and plant it in the ground. What are the steps then? First, you find out the good kind of sapling or seeds for your for planting. Then you dig the ground and you put seeds or sapling in that pit and fill it with the soil. So, and after that you water it. These are the steps to plant a tree. See here. These are the steps. First one is choosing good seeds of plants. Otherwise sapling you may bring and plant it. How these children in this picture are planting. Then digging the ground. Digging means khodna. Digging the ground. Then putting seeds in the soil. Filling the pit. Pit means khadda. Then after it you water that plant. Put some water on that plant. Like this, these are the steps to plant a tree. Now, one more question is there. These kinds of questions are there in your textbook also. These are the warm-up activities from textbook only. See here, discuss in pairs and write what your father and mother do for your family. You know that your parents perform many kinds of duties in the family. So, what are the duties? Otherwise, what your father does to your family? See, first one, what he does, you know that your father works hard to earn money for your family. He is the person who fulfills all your needs. So, he works hard and he earns money for your family. What are the other duties? Otherwise, what he does for your family? He fulfills your all needs. Whatever you want, you ask your father. He will provide you all those things. Then, what are the other duties he fulfills? He takes you to the outings. He gives you clothes, education, many kinds of things he provides you. And other than that, he gives you protection. Like that, many kinds of duties he performs. And now tell me what your mother does for your family. First, she cooks good food for the family members. She keeps your house clean and tidy. She takes care of all the members of the family. She gives you good advices. She teaches some morals to you. All these things she does for you. Then, like this, you can see. But see here. Works hard to earn living. Performs duties as the head of the family. Fulfills the needs of the family. Takes most of the decisions for the well-being of the family. These are the duties of a father. For mother, cooks good food for family, keeps the house clean and tidy, takes care of the family members, brings up children with love and compassion. So these are the duties of a good mother. Okay. Now, see. Now we learn this poem in detail. Basket full of moonlight. First we will read it, the whole poem. After that I will explain you. Oh moon, the poet says that, oh moon. So some introduction we will take from, as we saw in the warm-up activities, there you have listened about the done activities based on a basket full of moonlight. Just take the introduction about this poem. In this poem, a small child who lives in a remote village, he wants to sow seeds of moonlights along the path which is between his village and the city. He wants to sow seeds of moonlight so that his father can come early in the night and tell him some stories. So this is the poem. It is the central idea of the poem. So in this poem, the child is asking the moon, see here, oh moon, give me moonlight, basket full or 2 basketfuls with seeds of moonlight. From the city in my village, on the sides of the path, I want to so many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. This is the poem. Very simple poem, and there are no many hard words. A very easy language is used, so you can understand very well. So we go through each line in detail. See, in the first stanza, what he says: "Oh moon, give me moonlight, basket full of, or 2 baskets full." The child is asking the moon to give him a basket full of moonlight. He thinks that the moon is only the source of light to the earth in the night. So he is asking him to give him the basket full of moonlight to him, so that he can lit up the whole area. So here, give me moonlight, basket full or 2 basket full with the seeds of moonlight. What he is asking in that basket, what he wants? He wants the seeds of moonlight. He wants to sow them in the along the path. So he is asking the moon to give him seeds, basket full of seeds. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. What he is saying? From the city in my village, on the sides of the path, the street which connects my village to the city, on that path, on both the sides of that street, I want to sow small seeds of moonlight. Small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. What he says? Again he says that, why I want to sow the seeds of moonlight? Because all the villagers go to the city. Every day they go to the city to work. So daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. So when they return after working, when they return to their village, it was very late. So it was very dark when they return to their village. So and also the path is very tough. Tough means dangerous here. What he says, what danger is there? It is not a prepared, good street. It was very rough. So the path is also very tough, and many dangers are there. See here. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far, because my village is very far away from the city, and so the people get very late. So the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. There are many dangers also. When they return, it was very dark, and there were along the path, there were many dangerous creatures like scorpions and snakes. So scorpions. So I want to sow the seeds of moonlight there. So the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. The meaning of plies means, see here, travels regularly over a route. आना जाना है ना, ऐसे कोई सुविधा उनके लिए नहीं है. लो, see here. Neither bus nor cart plies. there were no any means of transport for them. There were no any kind of means of transport for them. So when my father returns home, I am asleep. It was very late when my father comes to my house. So when he comes to my house, I was asleep. I was sleeping then. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. And when he goes in the morning, then also I am sleeping only. So it is very difficult for me to meet him. When he returns from the work, also I am sleeping. And when he goes to the work early in the morning, then also I am sleeping. So I want to help him. So here, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. After that, he once again requests the moon. He is very much concerned about the difficulties of his father and all other villagers also. It shows that, see here, what he says, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. At least on loan, you give me a basket full of moonlight so that I can sow the seeds of moonlight and lit up the whole area so that the people and my father, they can come very easily and safely also. So that is the intention of that boy. Then I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. So if I make this arrangement for them, if my father comes early to my home, then I can listen stories from him. He can tell me the stories. Tales means also stories only. So I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. I want to hear stories from my father. So, oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Once again, he repeats the same line that I give me a basket full of moonlight so that I can sow them along the street and provide light for the travelers. Thus, this is the poem. We have learnt it, and on this we will solve some activities. Sorry. See, you know that first question is poem for comprehension. In this simple factual activity, you have to complete these sentences referring to the poem which is given in your question paper. See, complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. The child wants to sow seeds of moonlight from where to where? Where to where he has to, he want to sow seeds from village to city. From his village to city. So, according to the child, the route of the village is tough and full of what? Full of what? What danger is there? What dangerous creatures they find? Snakes and scorpions. That is, snakes and for scorpions you should write. The child wants a basket full of moonlight on what? Just he want to take moonlight from the moon, or what he is, once again he is requesting. Here, go through the poem and find out the word, what it is there. So, you can see that the child wants a basket full of moonlight at least on loan, कर्ज के रूप में या उधार के रूप में उनसे मांगना चाहता है, मून से मांगना चाहता है ना. Loan, you have to write LOAN, loan. Then, the child wants to light the dark route so that, what happens? If he sows the seed of moonlight and make the street if he lightens the street, what will happen? His father may come early and he can listen to the stories. You know? So the child wants to light the dark root so that his father come early. That you have to write and fill up the blanks. All these answers are in your poem. You can refer to the poem and you can do that. Then second question, there will be A2 is, those are simple factual questions and this is complex factual activities. See, there it carries 2 marks. So you have to write in detail. What does the poet wish to get from the moon and why? Why he want to get the what he want to get from the moon? You know that he wants a basket full of moonlight from the seeds of moonlight from the moon. See here, the answer is the poet wishes to get basketful or two baskets full of moonlight from the moon so that he can sow the seeds of moonlight to light the dark path from the city to his village. We have studied, otherwise you have learnt already that why he wanted that moonlight, seeds of moonlight. Then pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. If you get any one question you will get for complex factual. These are the different kinds of complex factual questions. The questions may appear like this also. Pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. Father reaches home late after dark. You should find the line from the poem which is suitable for this explanation. Father reaches home late after dark. Here, see here. When my father returns home, I am asleep. That is also okay. It says that it is very late. Then, next one. The path from the city to the village is having many dangers. You have noted that the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. This line says that the path from the city to the village is having many dangers. Many dangers means only the dangerous creatures, that scorpions and snakes. Then, eager to hear fairy tales from his father. What is the line here? You should find out from the this poem. I want to light the so that my father returns early. I too want to hear this one. This line you should write. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. That line you have to write for this question. Then remove darkness and bring light among the darker paths. I want to light the dark route. So this line is suitable for this explanation. So like this you have to complete this activity. Then one more may appear, complex factual question may appear like this. There may be a web. So see here, complete the web. The poet wants to light the dark route because, what are the reasons why he want to light the street? Otherwise, the poet wants to light the dark route because. The first, we have already learnt. Many reasons are there. The village is, the city is very far away from the village and there are many dangers. Daily, the people go to work in the city, and when they return it is very dark. All these reasons are there. So you can write one reason in four verbs. He wants his father to return home early. His father goes early in the morning while he is sleeping. That also you can write. Then the poet wants to be with his father. He wants to hear fairy tales and stories from father before he sleeps. Any option you may write there which is suitable. So these are the complex factual questions. One more question is there. Then question number 3 in comprehension only. Question number 3, activities based on poetic devices. So here also the same pattern is there. No, not that poetic devices. Write rhyming words from the poem. In this poem there are no rhyming words in the same poem. So they have given other than the other words than the poem. See here, pack. You have to find out the rhyming word from the poem which rhymes with this pack. What is the word for pack here? Pack. Back. You may say that back. Pack, back. This is the rhyming word. Back is here. Like that. Any word which is the rhyming word you can write there. Okay. Then deeds, seeds. Seeds is there. Dark, park. Anything you may write. So, these are the words they are in the poem. Other than that, here you cannot find the other rhyming words. You may write your own rhyming words. See here. Pack, back, deeds, seeds, dark, park, mark. Anything you may write. So, bow. Like that you can complete the rhyming words. Then poem for appreciation. Appreciation for this is also same as we studied in the first poem. Like that here also the first question is title of the poem. You should write it in a full sentence. The title of the poem is, you have here also you will get the whole poem in the question paper. There is a title in question paper only. You should find out you can get easily the title and write down. The title of the poem is A Basket Full of Moonlight, and name of the poet you find in the poem only, Sunil Sharma. The writer of the poet of this poem is Sunil Sharma. Then here rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme. This basket of moonlight, basket full of moonlight. Here no rhyme scheme is there. You cannot find a rhyme scheme in this poem. So you should write that this poem is a free verse. What you should write? This poem is a free verse. There is no rhyme scheme. So it is called a free verse. So you have to write like that. This poem is a free verse. Like that you should write. Then figure of speech. Here two kinds of figure of speech are there. One is alliteration. We have seen in the first poem also. There also we have taken the example of alliteration. And here one more figure of speech is there. Repetition. Dohrana. Repetition means. So for alliteration, you may find the example that the same sounding words. Here. Small, small moons, like that. Small, small. Otherwise, give me moon, same sounding words, M, like that is called alliteration and repetition. Repetition is the lines which are repeated. See here, O moon, give me moonlight. Once again here it is, O moon, O moon. Then give me, in the last line, give me a basket full of moonlights. Here also it is there. So this line is repeated again and again. So that is called repetition. So you can, any one, only name you should write. No need of writing any example there. It carries only 1 mark. So you have to write only the name of any figure of speech. See, next, this carries, the first question title carries half mark. Name of the poet also carries half mark. Rhyme scheme carries 1 mark. This figure of speech also carries only 1 mark. And the theme or the central idea, it carries 2 marks. Like this, this question is 5 marks. Total 5 marks is 5 marks. So, what is the central idea of the poem? Now, you come to know that you have learnt the poem, and you may easily write the central idea of this poem. A small child in a village wants his father to return early and safely from the city to tell him stories. He wants to listen stories from him. So, he wants his father to come early and tell him stories. As the road to the village is full of dangers, he wants to take seeds of moonlight and plant them to grow as street lights. So, he wants seeds of moonlights. He asks the moon to give him seeds of moonlight, and he wants to sow them along the street so that there is safety and also easy. It becomes easy for all the people and for his father also to come early to the village. So this is the poem, and many other activities are there in your textbook also. Other than this, you may try it in your home and prepare well for the examination. Okay, thank you.